Hello, guys. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar said life should be greater rather than longer. So, on his Jayanti, we will discuss his life in short. First of all, if we talk about his early life, his childhood, he has to face discrimination, he has to face untouchability, and even he has to face humiliation in the school when he was not allowed to sit with other students, or when he was not allowed to drink water from the same pot even. So it was a turning point of his life when he went to study abroad. He went to Columbia University and London School of Economics and became an architect of Indian institution. So what was his bigger achievements in his life? He became a chief architect of Indian constitution, and he gave Indians a system of equality, justice, and right. He fought against discrimination, untouchability, and he worked for the women right, for the laborers, and for the poor. He gave voice to millions of people who were unheard at that time. So his vision was to make India where all people were equal, having equal rights, having equal uh, chance for success, for and have equal rights, and even has their self respect too. So his vision was greater. And when we talk about the main point of his life, he, from denied to water up to the writing of the largest institution or democracy for the world, it was the power of his determination. So we should also take lessons from his life, that we should never give up. We, if we are determined about something, we can do anything in our lives. So on this occasion, let's not just remember him, we should also follow his path of equality, his path of having equal rights, his path of having equal vision for all, and path of equality, justice, and self respect. Thank you.